Oops.
I was talking with a local friend of mine the other day, and he told me that I should come and visit this place, Jiufeng village. It's one of the last wild-preserved villages here in Fuzhou, where you can still see local people living a traditional way of life, surrounded by this beautiful scenery. I have to say it's really breathtaking. I can't wait to learn about the life here.
Hey, 你好。你做什么？
喂鸭子啊！
我可以帮你吗？
可以。
Cool. Hey, 等一下。Hey guys. Eh, we can look at that. Wow, look at that nice.
They don't like me. I found this strange-looking purple chicken. Auntie says it's her favourite. She keeps them like pets. She says they're actually very affectionate, and when they're hungry they follow her around. He's got a bit of an ugly head, but his feathers are really pretty. He's actually quite cute. Auntie said that if I help her pick some vegetables, then we can use them to make our dinner later.
This reminds me of when I was a kid. I used to go down to a stream close to my house with my friends, and we'd catch newts and tadpoles, just like this.
All these vegetables were planted by Auntie herself and grown without any chemicals or pesticides. We picked them just a few minutes ago and soon we'll be eating them, so they're super fresh. I can't wait to try them.
The auntie has just asked me if I can help her chop up some wood for the fire so that we can cook our food. Not too bad, right? Okay, 你们快开。
This is the first time I've ever cooked this dish. I did a great job, right?
How? 你为什么喜欢住在这里？
不是说为什么，我们就在这本地的，之前嘛也在福州打工，现在差不多上年纪了，也不想去打工了，就想在家。
Right.
种点菜呀，养点鸡呀，这样子，鸭呀这样子，自己买在家里。
Great.
就是专门去这些东西。
So it's just your life.
As Auntie said, living here means that you not only get to eat food that you've grown yourself, but also enjoy the unique rural Chinese way of life. This simplicity and tranquility is something you just can't find in cities. I guess that's the reason why so many people choose to return to country life when they get older.